Hi everyone, Deb Campus. Welcome again to my channel. And today, as I promised before, I am I'm doing an overview on my new Zpacks Nero 38 liters backpack. This is an ultralight backpack. And it is a 38 liters backpack. I already owned another Nero 38 liters, which is Dynamic, and that was the previous model, but I decided to get this one again for mainly the reason that this one is made out of Robic nylon. So in my head it felt a little like it would be a little more durable. Also, the other reason why I got it is because in the past the other Nemo was the compression was only sideways. You couldn't close it up here, but now you can. The third reason also is this one now has a lot more features that I'm gonna go over this with you, but they seem attractive to me. It was certain things that I really wanted on a pack, and now it has it. So let's go over the specs. So here's the backpack with all my gear loaded in, and let's go back again on the specs. So the height of the Nero, and I believe it's not counting the extension, because just like that on the website it says it's 23 inches, and I measured and it was 23 with the top already folded. So 23 inches by 12 inches wide and 5 inches depth. It's a 38 liters backpack, 25 liters in the main compartment, 8 liters in the mesh front pocket, and 2.5 liters on each side pocket. As you can see, it's made out of Robic, and it's a 100 denier Robic. Entirely, all around, including the pockets. It has a 2.75 inch straps, shoulder pads, which are very, very nice. One of the things that I like the most of the Nero is how padded the shoulder pads are. This backpack weighs 11.6 ounces. And then I did make a few adjustments, added a few extra things that now weighs 12.5. Okay, so let's get started from the back. Right here, the backpack comes with a cord. So you can see these loops. And it comes with the external pad, like those Z little seats. It comes with that in here. I don't really like it. It makes me really hot, makes my back really hot. So I actually use my Thermarest cutout inside, which it gives me a really good frame, and it makes the pack stand pretty nicely. Let me see if I can make it stand right now. Yeah, there you go. It makes it stand very nicely. I have attached my water bottle here. This doesn't come with the backpack. It's from Justin UL. You can get it at Facebook, his page. So what I did here, the attachments that I put in the back, it's actually my trekking pole attachment. So this is my trekking pole attachment here. But you can also buy it at Zpacks. They have it ready. This one I made it myself. I just did it with a 2.5 millimeter elastic cord and the elastic locks. So I did it myself. And on this side, well, I didn't add anything. I did order from Zpacks a couple of waist pockets. These pockets are huge. I love them. Awesome, amazing. Right now I only have one strapped onto the pack because I also have my fanny pack. So for now I'm gonna just be using one. I actually ordered two because the other one will go to my other Nero, the Dyneema one, the older model. One thing that I like here that is new, it's how they made. So on the older Nero, they used to have the 3 levels for your belt here sewn to the fabric, and that would cause a little bit of chafing. To be honest, I never felt it, but then I used it in the winter when I was always with a jacket on, so maybe that's why. But now what's nice is that they're putting in the sewn line, so you don't feel this anymore. And it has 3 heights, so that's another thing why I like the Nero, is that my kids, which are taller than me, they can wear the same backpack. My son can wear it at the tallest one, my daughters can wear the middle one, and I wear on the shorter one setting. The Nero does come with this webbing belt, which you can also take it out all together if you don't like it. If you want to carry bags, water storage bags, the one that fits for the Nero is the 1.5 liter Ever New. That one fits perfect here on the side pocket, but you can also carry a 2 liter of the Smart water bottle. The 1 liter, it takes 2 of them, so that's really nice. Another thing that I like about this bag, it's how many attachment points it has, different than the version before. And like you see, there's 1, 2, 3 loops on this side, 1, 2, 3 loops on this side. And what's good is that you can make yourself your ice axe attachment for this side, or you can get it from Zpacks. Also, these 2 loops on the top plus this little loop right here, you can also order from Zpacks their V-top for the Nero. They have one specific for the Nero that you can attach and carry your bear can on top of the bag, and it's really nice. Okay, so this is all my gear that I'm going to be putting inside the backpack and the Nero. And if you want to know more about the details of my gear, it's an ultralight setup, and I'm going to put the link right here so you can go back and check my video on my gear. So that's my pad that I put as a frame. Those are my water and my water filter. These are going to go outside. These things right here are going to go outside. All this stuff right here. This is my ditty bag, my wind jacket, my bathroom kit, and my filter. And inside the bag, I'm going to put inside this plastic bag to keep it dry. It's my clothing and my sleeping bag. The yellow one right there is my Thermarest sleeping pad, Nero X Lite sleeping pad short. And on top right there is my jacket. And this right here is just simulating 5 days. No, maybe not 5 days, maybe, I don't know, 3 to 4. It's like 5 pounds in there of food. Inside also I have my cook kit and my bear hanging cord. What I like is that it fits very nicely horizontally. And that right there goes to the top. It's my tent, my shelter. Okay, so as you can see, the Nero, it's a frameless backpack. It doesn't have any frame. But what I do is I start by putting this little cutout Thermarest foam pad. I just put it in the back. Okay, here it is. And next, it's my sleeping bag with my pad and my jacket. Okay, and then now I push the air out of this bag so I can twist it and make it waterproof. Alright. So next will come my food, and I'm just gonna put it right there on top of my jacket horizontally, and right now it's up to here. This is how much of the bag it's in. And then next it's my tent, goes on the top, and that's it. And now I can close it. So just like a dry bag, I will fold down as much as I can and then clip side on the sides. Okay. And now I just have to put the things that go in the front, my city bag, my poncho and my wind jacket, my umbrella, my toilet kit or bathroom kit, however you want to call it. And I put my filter in my waist pouch because it's easier to reach when I need to filter water. And here I'm gonna put my 1 liter small water bottle, and last I will put my 1.5 liter Avenue bag, like so. There you go. And like I said, this is how everything fits in my backpack. So now that I spoke everything that I like about the bag, what are the challenges? Well, the first one is that this bag is an ultralight bag, so it tells you to have your base weight between 6 and 8 pounds, because the max carry to carry comfortably without hurting your shoulders would be 20 pounds. I would say it's correct, but it comes with another challenge. My base weight is 6 pounds, and I find it hard to fill it up. Not in weight, but in volume, because as you can see here, I still have a lot of fabric left that I haven't filled out. So maybe with a bigger tent. So my shelter, it's the Hexamid pocket tarp with storm doors, and it only uses this space right here. Actually, my goal when I bought it was to keep it outside in the mesh pocket, but I have to keep it inside just to fill up the bag a little bit more. So, or maybe when you're carrying more food, but like I said, it's not so much about the weight, it's more about the volume. So what happens is, because this fabric, this beautiful Robic, it's kind of slippery too. So as you pull, you see there's a little bit of a give, or maybe it's just because my bag is not all the way filled to the top, because honestly it should be up to here. Another challenge could be the price. It is $200. I think I paid $200. It was $190. So the Robic type, it's $10 cheaper than the Dyneema one. Dyneema, it's $199, and the Robic is $189. So that could also be an issue for some. I myself think it's very good priced. It's one of the best prices, and because it doesn't have many breaking parts, it doesn't have zippers, it doesn't have frame, it'll last a long time. So I think it's a good investment. I do like it. Another challenge that you might find yourself is trying to fill up these pockets right here. So the problem is when you have just one water bottle, not two, and it's very loose, so if you need to get down and do something, it'll fall off. It would be nice if we could have something to cinch this pocket, just like my ULA CDT has a cord to cinch, so that way things from this pocket wouldn't fall off. So this is pretty much everything I have to say about this bag. I'm really happy with it. I don't see how I can get anything else that really fit for my needs. If you have any questions, or if you're thinking about buying your bag, just please put your question in the comment section below and I will reply it to the best of my ability. If not, I also want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews on ultralight, things that I've been coming up with, and then gear or whatever else ultralight, if you're trying to lighten up your pack. Other than that, I just want to wish you guys a really good day. Thank you so much for watching, and whenever it is that you're watching this, and I hope you're getting a chance to get outside, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.